today we have this problem of this is a problem from West Bengal semester 3 class 12 examination from tangent normal. So equation of the normal of y equals to x plus sin x cos x at the point x equals to pi by 2. So the equation of normal you have to find, and the point is at the point x equals to pi by 2. Okay, so pi by 2 you have to find the normal of this curve. So let's first find the slope of the normal, which is minus dx by dy. Okay, so that at first this find this. So here is y given like this. That is the y given. So at first find dy dx. So x derivative 1, then plus, and for this we can apply new method is this, that is sin x cos x. So if I multiply 2 and divide by 2, that becomes half cos 2x. So we should derivative of cos twice x. So then it will happen like this, not cos, actually it's sin. All right, so because 2 sin x cos x equals to sin 2x, that becomes this. Okay, that is the dy dx, and cancel 2 by 2. Now dy dx at the point x equals to pi by 2, what will happen? So 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 2 means cos pi is minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus cos pi is equals to 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so derivative at that point, it's actually becoming, you see that becomes 0. Okay, now when dy dx is 0, so now you can imagine that what kind of curve is it. All right, so that is what m. Then what is minus 1 by m? That is 1 by 0. Okay, that is a curve. Minus 1 by m equals to 1 by 0. Then what is the equation of normal? Which is pretty good, because if you put pi by 2 over here at the curve, if you put pi by 2 on the curve, then that becomes like this, that y becomes is actually pi by 2, because cos pi by 2 0, so y becomes pi by 2. So at x equals to pi by 2, y is also pi by 2. And what is the equation of normal is this, that y minus y1, of course y1 means pi by 2, is equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. All right, so that is the equation of normal, as you know. But you see that m is 0, so what is the equation of normal? That becomes x minus x1 is equals to 0. That becomes x equals to pi by 2. So x equals to pi by 2 is the equation of normal for this curve, because you see that tangent at that point is basically 0. Okay, so thanks for watching.